All right, today we're going to be playing the Evive game. You should have your app open to look like this. And I'm going to be sharing a couple of screens with you. I'm going to be sharing the same screen with the game. Okay, so you should be in the app on this screen, ready for me to give you the app code. So today we're going to be going through how to play the game. All right, so I'm going to create our tribe and I'm going to call you guys the Weekend Warriors. And now I'm waiting for you guys to join, and as I do that, you're waiting for the app code. So first I just want you to enter your name in where it says subtribe. That's where your name is going to go. And then the app code you're going to input is 2008, 2008. All right, so on my screen, I have the same screen as the game. And so I'm gonna put in my name and the app code, which is 2008. And I'm going to go ahead and click initiate. So on your phone, you're going to be clicking initiate. And it's going to be saying logging you into our secure server. And then I'm going to see the users pop up here. So as you guys pop up, we will begin to play the game. All right, so now that we have everybody in, I'm going to go ahead and show everybody how to play the game. All right, so here is our dashboard that you can see here. And this tells us a lot about all the stats that are going to be happening during the game. We have 365 days in the game. The tribe value is how valuable your tribe is. The MV is how many Movaliniums that you have harvested. Now, your goal in this game is to do three things: to buy land, harvest the land, and mine Movalinium. And that's going to help you evolve in the game. So here is what you should be seeing on your phone right now. These are all of our things that we can harvest from the land. And what I want everybody to do right now is go ahead and click on this add button, and you will see all the land that is available for purchase. Now, to purchase land, you will be clicking on any of these green discs. Sorry, not green, gray discs. And you can see that they have a combination of land that will go with them. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase this right here. And you can see that it shows that I'm purchasing a portion of land that is plain, a portion of land that is forest, and a portion of land that is earth. And each of those have a different amount of chronos that I'm spending for a total of 80. And when I click purchase, you can see that it grays it out. So I want everyone to go ahead and purchase a piece of land. Now, do not spend all of your chronos. I want you to hold on to some chronos so that you can harvest the land, because that will cost you money as well. All right, and then there should be a little X up here on your app, or if you're on a computer, do not click these navigation up here, click the back button, and you can get to where we are here. Now, I have my three types of land that I am able to harvest. So if I click on it, you see this little triangle pop up, and I click on harvest, and you can see that it instantly starts to harvest my land. Okay. Now, over here is my legend. The fish come from the lake, the wood comes from forest, the sheep come from the plain, the brick comes from earth, and the grains come from the farm. And so I'm going to be harvesting those things from these three pieces of land that I have. Now, what you just saw that popped up is the chief asking for an offer. So I'm going to wait for that to pop back up again. And I am going to ask that nobody accept it so that I can explain to you how the offers work. Now, the offers are first come, first serve, but Again, I ask that nobody accepts the next offer that pops up from the chief because I want to be able to tell you all about what it means. So here is our chief, and he's giving us an offer. Now, this is kind of like the marketplace of the game. So what we're harvesting, we can trade for Chronos. So it says deliver 1 grain in 5 weeks and get 300 Chronos. Now, for grain, I'm going to go ahead and accept this offer. And when I accept that offer, it's going to show up in my offers panel. Now, see, I already have these 3 offers that I've accepted. And this status, this delivery status, will populate when I have something to deliver. And these will expire. These will expire. My assets, my what I've harvested will expire. And so you need to be careful that when you're harvesting, that you keep that in mind. So here's a sheep. I'm going to go ahead and accept it so you can see it pop up in my offers here. And now you can see how I can deliver these 2 items because I have harvested them. And you saw that one of my offers expired as well, which means I didn't fulfill that offer. Okay. Okay, so keep in mind when those offers come up that it goes away for everybody else. It's first come, first serve. And so as soon as one person accepts it, no one else will see it anymore. All right, so you can see the days are ticking down. You can see that now the tribe value is changing. The time to harvest is changing. All of our statistics are changing. Also, our global tribe dominance is up here. And the genome alteration experiment should show our graph that tells how far along we are in our path towards evolution. All right, so let me just review this dashboard here. It tells our skill level, which is how skilled we are as a tribe. Our development points, how many Movillennium that we have mined and traded, and how many Chronos I have remaining. So I can always go in and purchase more land in order to make my harvesting power better and go in and harvest all of that land. And here's another offer. So I can continue to accept those. I can continue to harvest my land, and I can see that that's changing my Chronos level up here at the top. Okay, remember that if I want to check my offers, I come over here. They are not up for delivery until these have populated and changed. All right, so that's how we play the game. And so then I would let the players just continue to play and ask them if they have, or not if they have, but if they need any money or any assistance, answer any questions on this trial round.